When it comes to solar energy, many questions tend to come to mind surrounding cost and its effectiveness. That's why we have co-founder and owner of Bob's Repair, Frideric Prandecki, and Matthew Mims, the company's lead estimator, in with us this morning. Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning, Elliot. How are you?
I'm good. How are you guys doing?
Doing well.
Very well, thank you.
Can we share the good news?
Yes.
I think we should. We were just talking off camera. You guys are going to legitimately be like proper family now.
Yeah, Matt just proposed. Tell us about it, Matt.
Yes, I just proposed, so we'll be brother-in-laws.
Just a big Bob Repair family.
Yes,
Yeah.
and there's 4 sisters.
Yeah, yeah.
So a lot of tennis.
Yeah.
A lot of get-togethers.
A lot of potential workers for us too. So.
And last time you were in, it was your birthday.
Yes.
You only come in on special occasions.
Always special
So
occasions.
your wedding anniversary, when you finally get married,
Yeah.
you have to come in for that too.
It'll probably be the next day.
That makes sense.
By the way, so.
All right, let's get back to what you guys are actually in for. We're talking about solar, as an alternative, and it seems to be a growing proportion of the industry now. Something that I've asked about, inquired about, people talk about, and it seems to be way forward. But it has exploded here in Vegas. Why do you think that is?
Yeah, I mean, mostly in Vegas. One is we're getting 300 plus days a year of sunlight, so it's one of the best places in the country for solar and production of solar. So it makes a lot of sense here versus somewhere like Seattle or something where it's really cloudy. And in reality, too, it's just become more popular over the years' time. So, when it first comes out, people are hesitant, apprehensive about it, which they can be. But over time, more people do it. There's more reviews, more reputable companies. So it's a little bit easier to take
And
the
more
plunge.
affordable. It's getting cheaper and cheaper to have solar in your house.
That's one of the things. I mean, obviously that's part of the consideration. But what are some other reasons why people should consider maybe switching over to solar?
Well, NV Energy's rates went up 60% in the last 2 years.
Yeah,
if you
they
kind
did.
of see, we're kind of following California. We're at 16 cents a kilowatt. They're at 40 cents. So it's kind of scary, and you can lock in your rates with getting solar, which is nice.
So it's an alternative. People are going to be also worrying about the outlay for like solar panels on the house, where they can have them, where it makes more sense, whether they can actually do it or not. It's obviously a sustainable thing and works out cheaper in the long run. But is it a big outlay for the panels? How does that operate? How does that fit in with their existing system?
Well, so the way it works is you put solar on your roof. Hopefully you want to go southern facing, and then as you produce, you send it back to the grid, and then you create credits and you get it back. So you want to be producing over 100%, so you're not paying money to NV Energy.
And anyone can inquire about this. It can fit onto any kind of property. What do the savings look like in the long run as compared to, like you said, the rising cost of electricity? And
So right off the bat, your bill's going to be cheaper than it is on NV Energy. And I keep saying NV Energy, I mean your utility company. And then what would you say about that, Matt?
Yeah, I mean, in reality, it makes sense for most customers. Solar makes sense. Like, regardless, when we're building estimates, it's generally always cheaper than your power bill is on an average. And then in that case, solar is inflation proof. So your power bill today is not going to be your power bill most likely in 5 years' time. So regardless of your situation, it makes sense in most cases and saves you a fair bit of money typically. So.
Solar is obviously the way forward. It's something, people are looking for other means, and some people do it because of savings, and other people do it because, they want to protect the environment, be careful. You see that with electric cars and stuff as well. But it's not just solar you guys do. You guys have a whole breadth of things that you guys, do for repairs and ACs. Are there things that people should be mindful of right now as they head towards, mid to late winter, heading into spring? Should they get their ACs taken care of? Are there other things apart from the solar they can contact you about right now?
Well, we do air conditioning, water heaters, and electrical. We always tell our customers to, tune up your units, and that increases the efficiency. Change your air filters, because if your air filters are dirty, your units are not going to last as long. And also flush your water heaters, and that's going to increase the life expectancy of your water heater.
How can our viewers and your customers, what can they expect to see in terms of changes to their pricing when it does come to solar? I mean, what's the bottom line for where the effectiveness comes in, not just from harnessing the power of the sun? What does it look like for them in the long term?
What would you say about that, Matt?
Yeah, I mean, in reality, no matter what, like when you're averaging out your power bills, you're going to have most likely a cheaper solar bill if you finance it. And they have all kinds of financing rates. You could pay outright, which of course, if you pay outright, it'll be a quicker return on your investment because you're not paying interest and things like that. But even if you finance it, with even the rates being higher than they are typically, they'll most likely go down, but you're still going to be averaging a lower bill. And again, most of the return is going to be down the road too. When those rates change, yours is locked in and you're going to save some significant money on a monthly basis. So
you guys have a special offer today for our viewers, and I also want to know the website where people can go to so they can contact you about the solar efficiency.
So one thing that we're doing right now is if you want to get a solar consultation in your house, we'll give you a free winter tune-up. So all you have to do is call Bob's Repair, and say, hey, I'd like to get a free estimate, and we'll come and tune up your unit.
All that information's on the screen right now. Matt, when is the engagement party? Can all of us come and attend it?
Most likely end of the year, so we'll send out some invites to you guys.
Will there be a separate website for that?
There'll be for the separate one.
Okay, we'll let you guys at home know about that as well, because Matt wants to invite everyone to that. I'm just kidding. Guys, thanks so much for coming in today. For more information to take advantage of their free offer, visit bobsrepair.com. Their phone number is also right there on the screen as well.